how are you looking at utilizing AI to really help, take that one experience that Ben had and being able to scale that for a lot of members? I know you guys just hit your 300,000 member mark. Congratulations, but that's a lot of members to segment.
Mm-hmm. No, that's a great point. So the way we kind of think about AI is we have very dedicated focus on AI as an organization, and there's several use cases of where we have already deployed AI. And so one of the unique things which we have done is obviously we have kind of rolled out Copilot, but Scan, we have kind of built our own GPTX where we actually use that to mine all the data, all the unstructured data across our actual call notes,
Oh,
our
wow.
actual call recording, and as well as all the grievances notes.
Oh,
So to
wow.
your question, how do we manage all the 300,000? Well, we don't QA one by one. We do definitely use AI
Wow.
and the GPTX power to really like mine all of that data and identify the opportunities, which are then kind of prioritized based on impact and severity,
Mm,
which is like how painful it is, right? Like for example, every denial is super painful
yeah.
versus like a similar inquiry, right? And
Hmm.
so we use AI to kind of really mine all of that data and really take out the insights and then feed it into the design or the intervention kind of funnel. And so we use a lot of that to kind of as part of our voice of the customer strategy,
Mm,
able to like get all those information. The other great uses are like Scan is I believe like Scan is really in the forefront of leading AI revolution. And so for example, a lot of the business teams have kind of built their like AI like builder like an agent AI where
yeah.
they build their own apps to solve some of like
Wow.
the value based customer issues. And so
Absolutely.
the power is when everybody at Scan starts using it, and that's like the beauty of it,
Mm,
right? Because if one person uses it or one vendor uses it, we never get the power and the economies of scale. And so that's like the beauty of Scan, where like the CXI that our team uses
yeah.
like NLP and AI to kind of do that. We use AI to figure out first look insights, like when the
Mm,
competitor kind of publishes like the first looks, we use that to kind of
wow.
inform our AEP strategy. We, like as I mentioned, the business teams have started using like building their own apps to kind of extract insights from that, and that's where I see the real power of AI, where everybody kind of starts
Wow.
using it for different reasons. Our lawyers use an app for helping with their contracting language.
Yeah.
Our marketing and communications teams uses AI to help them kind of think about like how we communicate better to members. So I believe AI is like fundamental of how we make decisions. And with the advent of AI, like the way we used to do things is
Mm,
completely changed. Like even
no.
marketing, like
So
you
true.
kind of talked about direct to consumer sales
Hmm.
marketing, right?
Yeah.
The way we did direct to consumer sales marketing, like say 5 years back, is completely different right now
Oh,
because
completely different.
it's all managed by like the optimizations, which is basically an AI engine is running in the back, which kind of works on the back of like a consumer data platform and a
Wow.
DMP platform to really identify that Jen is the right person whom
Yeah.
you want to bring it on. And so
Yeah.
target Jen and don't target Archie.
Yeah.
That's the
It's
beauty. I
incredible.
couldn't do that 5 years back, but I
Yeah.
now I can do that. And then that's what I see is like is the same things we're doing, but we are doing it in a much more efficient and a smarter way.